Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nick Jr. on Roku step by step clearly. Begin by powering on your Roku device. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. From the main screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels option. Select the channel store from the list. In the search bar, type Nick Jr. Choose the Nick Jr. channel from the search results. Click on the Add Channel button to install it. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, return to the main screen. Locate and select the Nick Jr. channel icon. Launch the Nick Jr. channel for the first time. Follow the on-screen prompts to get an activation code. Using a mobile device or computer, open a web browser. Go to the activation website provided in the Nick Jr. channel. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku. Log in with your TV provider information if prompted. Click the Activate button to complete the process. Return to your Roku device after activation. You should now have access to Nick Jr. content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Nick Jr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.